From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for November 8th, 2017. Today we're looking at the AUDUSD, the Australian versus the US dollar, for today's trade analysis. Starting here on the daily time frame, a couple of trend lines to speak of. In fact, I'm going to take this little black trend line for the moment and put it all the way out here like this. Of course, over the past several weeks, going up from the top of the red trend line to the current market, we have been in a downtrend. And obviously, down here at the bottom right-hand corner of the trend, we've been in a period of ranging and congestion. You can see the blue box down here. For the most part, the blue shaded area, 7670, 7690, has held as resistance. We did see one instance where it pressured higher into the 7720s, but for the most part, again, over the past several days, holding here underneath the 7700 level. Of course, that's a different way of looking at the trend, and the possibility of it moving back to the green zone 7725.45 along that black trend line is a possibility. Now, of course, if we shorten this up a little bit and bring it to this high, we can see that the market is clearly still well within this even shorter black trend line from the last high. Connecting to these highs, you can see it's well within those trend parameters of the downtrend. Of course, if you're looking to trade that trend and trade from resistance, 7670, 7690 becomes an opportunity for you in the direction of the trend and at resistance. Forex Black Book is red, giving us a bearish bias as well. Let's take it on down here to the 4-hour time frame. I do want to shorten up this black trend line like this because I think it gives us an idea of what the market has been doing over the past couple of days. You can see resistance here at the green zone, lower resistance here at the blue zone, and we're now challenging that once again. The question of the day will be, are we going to find resistance once again at that short black trend line, 3 lower highs and a continuation of the downtrend, or will we see the breakout of that blue zone, the black trend line, and a continuation higher? We have some Fibonacci from the highest high up here at the top of the chart down to the lowest low. Highest high down to the lowest low puts the 236 Fibonacci retracement level right here at 7689. We'll call it 90, right at the top of our blue shaded area. So that's the worst case scenario at this point, is that it breaks the Fibonacci level 236, breaks the black trend line, the three falling highs, and the blue shaded area. Then we'll likely look for it back up here towards this green zone as our next resistance for the Australian dollar if it continues to pressure higher. Now, on the other side, of course, if it does fall off again, which would be a boost for the US dollar. We don't see the US dollar so far yet this week having a great week. It's been back and forth so far all week long, but what we would look for is a boost for the US dollar, falling off the resistance, targeting the orange zone, or of course, if it can break there, we'd look for the continuation of the longer term downtrend. Definitely an area that we want to pay attention to here, just underneath 7700. So if you're looking for an opportunity today, selling here into the blue shaded area might be something that of interest for you. The risk here is pretty minimal. You just don't want it to break above the blue shaded area. Stop losses don't need to be too large, just above the blue zone. Again, last high here, we're expecting it to stay lower than this high. It needs to stay lower than this high right here. So underneath 7690, let's see, the high of that candle is 7700. So it really just needs to stay underneath 7700 if we're going to see this turn around and go back down. If it doesn't, if it breaks 7690, we'll likely look for the turn higher for the Australian dollar today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.